bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette.
Hey, my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And thank you for my old subscribers. So thanks to all my subscribers. Today, I'm going to be making something authentic from Jamaica. And let me show my Jamaicans my main ingredients, and then you guys guess it. Here I'll be working today with some banana leaf and a cord. What do we use banana leaf and a cord for, Jamaicans? If you guess it, you're right. We're going to make some dukuno. We call it blue draws in Jamaica. So here is all my ingredients, guys. This is my sweet potato. I already peeled and washed with a few pieces of dasheen that I had. And this is my cassava, yellow yam, my orange peel powder, cinnamon. I'll be using some ginger. This is cinnamon powder, and this is cinnamon liquid. And this is my allspice, nutmeg, rose water, vanilla extract, salt, and some mace. And over here is my cornmeal, coconut milk with some coconut trash from the milk, and my cassava flour and brown sugar. Guys, that's my ingredients for today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen, and I'll see you in a minute. Dukuno time! So my FK gang, come on down here. Here I have 4 cups of coconut milk, freshly squeezed coconut milk. And I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar with it. Half a teaspoon of rose water. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a teaspoon of cinnamon extract. And I'm going to combine this together, mix it properly. And this is what I'm going to use to blend my cassava, my yam, my sweet potato, and my dasheen. All right, guys. So guys, now that I'm finished chopping up or grater my potato and my yams and stuff, now I'm gonna add my dry mixture. Okay guys, I just had a half a cup of my trash from my coconut. Okay. And I'll see you guys when I start to wrap them in the banana leaf. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I just washed my banana leaves. I think I needed another pack. So here's my banana leaf, and they're nicely washed. So this step, guys, is very critical. You can't miss this step. You have to use a hot pot or your fire. I'm using the fire. to use it to parch my banana leaf. You want to parch it so it gets very soft. So you'll be able to wrap your dukuno. Have to make sure it's parched, guys. See how it looks, the difference? Parch your banana leaf. And we're going to do this with all of them. So it's nice and soft. So guys, here's another way to soften your banana leaf. This is the way my mom usually do it. You make your water boil well hot. And remember, these steps are very critical because you don't want the banana leaf to get broken when you're wrapping it. Because when it's broken, then the mixture in it will leak out. So this is another way to soften your banana leaf. All right. The leaf nice and small. Just make a pocket. See guys, nice and tight. Here I have orange peel, cinnamon stick, and pimento with some salt. You just drop it right in, all right? Guys, I'm gonna put them all in and let them boil for 50 minutes. All right. Okay, gang, we're at the end of another segment. I'm here to present one of Jamaican's authentic and classic. This is something you can have in the morning with a cup of hot chocolate tea. So here is my Blue Draws Dukuno, or Dukuno, also known as Blue Draws. Guys, it was such a rough ride because of you see the texture? You can see it? Because the banana leaves have a lot of split in it. There's a lot of split in the banana leaves, and I'm not in the countryside where I can run and get another piece. So it was a rough ride. I hope you guys enjoy. And as you know, I feed, oh, it's so good, guys. I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. And today's scripture will be coming from Romans 8, verse 31. What shall we then say to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us, right? That's what I say. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, no darkness lasts forever. And even there are stars. All right, guys? So no matter what is going on in your life, it doesn't last forever. It's just, oh guys, this is so good. It's just a phase. So anyway, guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. And right now, guys, it's Blue Draws time. Bye-bye.